Whispers in the Corridors, stories of Indian political power play. In the vast and diverse landscape of Indian politics, the spectrum of characters spanning from the good to the bad and the ugly was as varied and intricate as the nation itself. The good were the unsung heroes, embodying principles of honesty, altruism, and unwavering dedication to public service. They traversed the dusty streets of rural villages and the bustling corridors of power with equal humility, their actions guided by a moral compass that remained steadfast amidst the turbulent currents of politics. One such luminary was a grassroots leader whose origins were as humble as the soil he tilled in his youth. With calloused hands and a heart ablaze with fervent idealism, he emerged as a beacon of hope for the downtrodden, advocating tirelessly for land reforms, education, and healthcare in remote corners of the country where hope seemed but a distant dream. Contrastingly, the bad wielded influence like a double-edged sword, their ambitions fueled by a toxic brew of greed, nepotism, and a Machiavellian thirst for power. They inhabited the opulent mansions of New Delhi's political elite, their silken words dripping with honeyed promises that masked the venomous agendas lurking beneath. Among this dark fraternity was a scion of privilege, born into a world where entitlement and impunity were the currency of the realm. With a crooked smile and a silver tongue, he navigated the treacherous waters of political intrigue, amassing wealth and influence through backroom deals and Machiavellian machinations that left a trail of broken promises and shattered dreams in his wake. And then, there were the ugly, enigmatic figures who defied conventional classification, their motives obscured by layers of intrigue and ambiguity. They lurked in the shadows, manipulating events from behind the scenes with a cunning that bordered on the surreal, their alliances shifting like grains of sand in the desert wind. One such elusive figure was a master of disguise, his true identity hidden beneath a labyrinthine maze of aliases and false identities. Operating from the shadows, he orchestrated a symphony of chaos and confusion, his motives inscrutable to all but himself as he danced upon the puppet strings of power with a malevolent glee that sent shivers down the spines of even the most seasoned political operatives. In the tumultuous theater of Indian politics, these disparate archetypes clashed and colluded, their destinies interwoven in a tapestry of triumphs and tragedies, victories and defeats. For every triumph of the righteous, there was a betrayal of trust. For every beacon of hope, there was a shadow of despair. And yet, amidst the chaos and uncertainty, there remained a glimmer of hope, a belief that amidst the darkness, the light of truth and justice would ultimately prevail, illuminating the path towards a brighter tomorrow for the world's largest democracy. If you like it, then please like, comment, share and subscribe.